Hey guys, it's Al with techmadeezy, and yep, we're in the backyard and we've got a problem with our noodle. And there's no pill we can take to fix this, but guess what? Ego went ahead and sent us the fix kit. That's right, straight from Ego. Look at that. And so we're going to take the fix kit, and there's not a lot in here. We're going to take the fix kit and we're going to see if we can fix the problem with our noodle. Let's get this party started. All right, guys, so I want to give you some background if you've not seen our original review of the Ego 3-gallon wet dry vac. So we bought it on our own dime and we did a review. And the problem is every time we went to use it, after a while, this guy comes out. It doesn't stay. And the weird part is it actually locks in the blower port real well, but in the vac part, it just keeps falling out. Now, this wasn't everybody for some reason, but it was a lot of people. And that's the reason why Ego came out with a fix kit, which we're going to show you in a moment. We even came out with a second video. We went out and bought a second unit, and it had the same issue. So we were like, all right, we're done. You know, we contacted Ego. It took a while. I mean, obviously, it's the middle of June, I guess. And we got our fix kit. And basically, I guess there's a gasket in here that we need to put. I don't know if it's here or here. I'm not sure yet. So I have to learn that before I show it to you. But I wanted to give you some background on why we're making this video. So I had to open it before I did on camera. But take a look at this. I don't know if it's plastic. I don't know if it's rubber. But this is supposed to be the fix. Now the weird part is they didn't include any instructions. I don't know why they didn't do that, to be honest with you. I'm going to look at this paper here real quick and come back, but I'm going to figure this out. I really am. All right, so I opened this up and it was no instructions. So I think what happens, and I'm just going to take a chance, you know, it might lead to romance. But let me see if I can peel this off. I think I know where it goes, and will it work is the question. Guys, we might be here for a while. Let me peel that off. So we got that off. It took a little while. This is pretty sticky. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it should just go like this. All right, so if not, they'll send me another one. But I'm going to put this around. Very hard to do on camera, guys, okay? But let me put this all the way around without it sticking. All right, I'm almost where I want it to be. But yes, it's on camera. Bear with me. You can hit fast forward if you like. But let me get this down correct. Give me a second. Guys, I think I'm going to take this out to the light for a second. So the challenge with this guy is when you're putting it on, it actually stretches while you're trying to get it over. I think you want it on the rim here. That would be the only area that makes sense. But the problem is, as you're doing that, it is stretching. And so there's extra. So I'm going to see if I can get this down, because I don't want that to become another issue. So let me get this down all the way. And then, as you can see, I've got it flat along the side. I believe that's what they wanted me to do, want you to do if you're receiving this as well. So guys, I did get it down. It's pretty darn good. It's not perfect, but it's almost. At the end of the day, I think they tried to do what they could. And hopefully they'll come out with a newer unit that'll lock, you know. But now I'm going to go ahead and try this. Let's see if it works. Okay, let's stick this in like so and turn it. I don't know, might help actually. Yeah, I could see the gasket right here. So, oh wow, okay. Wow, that feels like it's not going to come out, but you know what I'm going to do? I got to do a little torture test. All right, guys, so the tube is in. The hose is in, I should say. And I'm really just going to, I don't need to turn it on. I just want to try to simulate, obviously, vacuuming. You know, if you're in a car and you're vacuuming, right? And will it turn? Will it come off? Right? I mean, I just don't see this coming off now. And I'm swinging it. You understand? So this thing is moving like a jump rope, but it's actually the mechanism's moving, but it's not turning. All right? So that little thing might have solved the big issue of a lot of these units. Again, we use this as a vacuum. You know, the blower port locked amazingly. But I'm going to go ahead and vacuum now one of my vehicles, and we'll see how this does. But so far, I'm impressed. Do you want to see the video where the hose came out? Well, this is it. I'll go ahead and put the word hose in the upper right-hand corner in a moment. All you got to do is click on it. You'll jump right in and check out that video. There's the word hose. Click on the word hose and you'll see the video. Now, guys, before I continue, I'm going to give you an item number for now, okay? It's actually called a hose connector silicone wash, which probably means washer. I got an item number 565-127-3001. All right, that's all I got. So hopefully, if you're having an issue, you can contact Ego and get this hose connector silicone washer. Again, item number 565-127-3001. So this is more of a demonstration to pull the noodle to see that it doesn't come out, okay? So I push this back pretty far. I've got it on turbo, and I'm hoping that maybe using this and pulling it hard, and I'm going to push this back further. I really want to extend it. All right, so I'm going to start this. It'll get noisy, but I really want to see if it works. It is on turbo, which is good. I love turbo. Guys, they fixed it. I didn't want to stop for a while. I was pulling this all the way over here and really, you know, stretching this to see if it would actually come off. They fixed it. Really good news. I don't have to worry about my noodle anymore. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching our video. I sure hope you found it helpful. And if you did, give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate that. I'm going to go ahead and put our social media up on top if you want to follow us. And you'll be able to subscribe to our channel by clicking this round TechMadeEzy logo. Guys, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.